Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP system review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have recently come in. So I'm live here in my members area. And the top left-hand corner here, you'll see total earnings, $380.75. But more importantly in this video, I want to show you how you can get the mega link with the OLSP system, and this allows you to promote one link and earn multiple income streams. So I'll just show you some proof of those income streams here. And the mega link, this one here, is a 100% commission. So it's a one-time payment of $7 and you just promote one link. You'll see some more income streams on this page here. You'll see this one is called List Building and Magic Link. It's just called a $7 commission as well. That's 100% commission. Another List Building and Magic Link here just came in here. If we go back to the beginning of my journey here, you'll see one here called Mega Messenger, one-time special offer. And this is a monthly recurring commission. And another mega messenger in here. So you can see that you promote one link and you can earn multiple income streams. I'll show you another one somewhere here. I think it was on page 2. This one here, here's another one. It's called Traffic Rotator Monthly. So this is another recurring passive income stream. That's a $9.40 monthly recurring commission. These small ones here are for 25 cents. You can also, when you get your mega link, you get a product within it, CD Commenter Pro, and you can promote in Facebook, the OLSP Facebook group, and you can earn 25 cents for every post that you make. That's a great way to be able to build that up to the $7 and pay for your one-time $7 for your mega link. What I want to do now is I want to show you how you can meet the owner Wayne Crowe. So the link in the description will give you access to a free video tour. One link equals 7 passive income streams. And come and meet the owner Wayne. This gentleman here is, if you're looking for a mentor, looking for somebody to really help you succeed online, then I think this is the gentleman to help you do it. He's been online for over 10 years. He's earned over $10 million. And he's here to help everyone from beginners to intermediates to advanced marketers. And the OLSP system, you can start with the mega link, but you also have an opportunity later on when you've earned some commissions to scale up with the other products that he's got within this complete funnel and system. So that's just a short 10-minute video. Come and meet Wayne. And I want to show you now, step by step, the value and how this system works step by step. I don't think I've ever seen for $7 a product that gives you such superb value. So let me just show you briefly how this works. So what happens is, first of all, this is a training by Wayne that he does. So when you get your mega link, you come into this training area here, and on the left-hand side, you see this train here, grab your mega link. Now what Wayne shows you here, nothing hard, nothing technical. He's drawn a line down here to show you the value and the simplicity that you get with this system. So all you've got to do is focus on these couple of things on the left-hand side of this line. And the first one here is to get your mega link. So in the top right-hand corner, you'll see there mega link. And all you do is you just copy and paste that. And then what that is, that's a lead capture page. So you don't have to create any lead capture pages. You've got nothing to create. It's a complete 100% done for you system. That's why it's perfect for beginners. And all people do is your prospects, you promote this page, your prospects put their email into there. And then what Wayne will do, he will teach you how to drive traffic in the training in the members area. So you've got free trainings, you've got weekly live trainings, you've got replays, and he'll teach you how to drive traffic to your mega link. So all you've got to do is just one thing, and that's learn traffic. And that's the same for any affiliate marketing business. Is just once you learn traffic and you master traffic, then you can succeed with affiliate marketing. So if we go over here to the right hand side where the magic happens, after your prospect has opted in, you're going to get this complete 100% done for you funnel. So you'd have to create anything. It's absolute, the value is just absolutely superb. And then your prospects go through a system. So this is the lead capture page you just created. They're going to put their email address in. And then what Wayne and his team do, they on autopilot send out emails for you on autopilot. So you'd have to do anything. You could be at work, you can be asleep, you can be in your job, you can be out with your family and your friends, and they send an email, and within that email is your affiliate link. This is why it's a complete done for you system, and your affiliate link. So within those emails, Wayne has created his own products, and he promotes his own products for you. So he promotes those for you within the emails. Now these products, they range from low ticket offers. You've got $20 products here. You've got $99 products here. He's promoting these products, and if anybody buys, this is a monthly recurring one, and this is a high ticket one here, high ticket. And if anybody buys from your emails, then you're going to get paid. And that's how simple it is. You promote one link and you've got an opportunity to earn up to 7 income streams. So when I showed you my $300 and something at the beginning, that's all I've ever done is promoted that one. All I've done is promoted that one single squeeze page. That's all I've ever done. Now it gets even better because he's got a Facebook group with all the help, support and training that you need. So when a lot of people join affiliate marketing, then what happens is they can be on their own. They haven't got a mentor, no one to talk to, they get disgruntled and they quit. And what happens here within the Facebook group, 143,000 members, you're going to get the help, you're going to get support, you get your questions answered. There's questions and answers on the live trainings. So you've got all the help and support that you need to become successful with the OLSP system and the mega link. So a very, very simple system, even though there's a lot of boxes and circles and arrows and things on here. Don't worry about that. All you've got to do is one thing. You join, you go into the members area, you learn traffic. Wayne will teach you traffic with free trainings in the members area. You promote your lead capture page, and then the results will take care of themselves. I'm going to make an income disclaimer in the description because I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me and other OLSP system members. We've all got an equal opportunity to join OLSP system as a member and also promote it as an affiliate. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that because that will help support the growth excuse me, of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing a new video every single day, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP system, please put those in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions for you. And what I recommend you do, also my email address will be in the description. if you want to contact me direct through email. So I recommend you click the link in the description and come and watch this video here. Come and meet Wayne Crowe, a genuine, successful mentor with lots of knowledge to share with you and help you become successful online. Watch this short video and see what Wayne has to say. And we'd love you to come and join us in OLSP System and help you become successful as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.